Everybody. Thanks for listening. I'm Jenny. I'm a life coach. And today I'm talking about marketing your business. Um, Marketing your business. This is so hard for us because we see marketing as so manipulative and we don't want to be manipulative. But there's other ways to market yourself. And I'm going to talk about that. So let's start out with branding. Branding is fun. Branding is fun marketing because you get to choose symbolism for your business. And if you need ideas for symbolism, look at your Myers-Briggs personality type. Look at your birth chart, your astrology. Um, Look at, different archetypes that keep coming up in your life or different archetypes that you identify with. Your business is a part of you. And so you can use your identity to help brand your business as well. You are the niche. The people who are now where you used to be are your audience. And the products and services you used, um, the the medicine that you found and used becomes your products and your services, um, becomes your offers. Your audience is the same personality type as you. So if you know what your personality type is, perfect. Your audience is going to be people who have the same personality type as you. There's all these exercises, business classes, exercises, all about like identifying your ideal customer, and like creating this persona. It's just people with the same personality type as you. It's actually really simple. Um, your value is what makes you different from all the same personality types as you. So your audience is people who have your same personality type, and your value is what makes you different from all of those people. Your offer is based on what things you've overcome. So remember who you are, learn about your superpowers, find your kin, find your soul family, and then figure out what makes you different. And just remember that your audience is the past version of you. Be the weird ice cream. You don't want to be the ice cream people can go to any grocery store and get. You want to be the ice cream that people have to go to some weird obscure dairy farm to get. Okay, so your brand is you, and your brand changes and grows with you. So instead of naming your business, focus on naming your offers, because we tend to put ourselves in boxes when it comes to our businesses. Like, oh, this is a chocolate chip cookie business, and so I need a chocolate chip cookie name. And then our interests change, and we're stuck in this chocolate chip cookie box. So if you if you make your business part of you and part of your identity, then it gets to grow and change with you. And then you can focus on naming your offers. You can have a really cool chocolate chip cookie offer, but then you're not stuck in a box when your interests change. Um, I don't get clients who want a life coach. I get clients who want me to coach them. So that's what I mean when I say be the weird ice cream. Um, marketing, marketing, I want you to consider the possibility that you could actually have fun marketing yourself in the beginning because no one is watching you yet. Um, Marketing, um, doesn't have to be pursuit based. Um, it's better for empaths to focus on both attracting and alienating people instead of pursuing people, which is how most marketing is done, is based on pursuing people. Those stupid algorithms follow you around everywhere. They're listening to you. They're following you around like, oh, you talked about refrigerators. Here's a refrigerator ad. We don't need to do things that way. We focus on attracting people and we focus on alienating people. This is hard because we have a very deep seated fear of rejection. But the more you can be yourself, the more people who are looking for you can find you. The more weird you are, the more you're going to find the people who like weird ice cream. If you're trying to camouflage yourself as a normal ice cream, the people who like weird ice cream aren't going to find you. Um, you want to focus on pain points, not features when you're marketing. Focus on the problem that you're solving and not the features of what you're selling. Um, Focus on the symptoms of the problem, um, not necessarily the problem itself. Empaths are great at getting to the root of things. So empaths have a built-in untapped skill at marketing because they're great at getting to the root of things. They're great at seeing the problem and the symptoms and how it's all connected. And that's what good empath-friendly marketing is all about. You just focus on being helpful. You give away helpful information. That's all that marketing has to be. Um, that's all that marketing has to be. And if you're more of an artist, if you're trying to sell creations, think about including people in your process. Don't wait to show them your finished creations. Think about including them in the process. Um, Dark marketing is what most marketing is, and there's a focus on manipulation. There's forced continuity, which is um, charging for a membership without a warning or reminder that the free trial is ending. There is sneak into basket, which is when they add extra products to your cart that you didn't manually pick out. There's hidden costs, there's extra fees added at checkouts. There's confirm shaming, which is when they use guilt, like they make you click yes, I want this offer, or no, I want to miss out on this offer to manipulate you into completing a desired action. There's urgency, a limited time window to add pressure to people into buying now. I think this is okay to do if it's to honor how special and rare something is that you've created and you're selling. So it's all about the energy behind it. But if you're doing it to pressure people more than to honor, how special and rare something is, that's where it gets to be manipulative. And then scarcity, which is creating an illusion of limited supply, right? Sometimes they'll say, oh, there's only one left, put it in your shopping cart. And sometimes those are lies. Um, so so it's all very, very manipulative. With empath marketing, we're focused on empathy and a good user experience, which is really just helping people with their problem. In empath marketing, the focus is on keeping your users on the happy path. It's focused on user experience and removing pain points. On the happy path, um, the you're focused on the ideal journey the user takes to achieve their goals within a system or process. You're focused on the best case scenario, and you want a smooth experience where there's no errors, there's no extra steps. Um, Purchasing things is really simple and easy. There's not all these extra hoops you're making your users jump through. There's a focus on ease and simplicity. You are minimizing the number of clicks a user needs to take. You're minimizing the number of decisions a user has to make. You're being intuitive, and thinking about their pain points and how to remove those pain points in the easiest, fastest way possible. You're transparent, and you're focusing on meeting the needs of the user and not you or the company. A normal sales funnel starts with a free offer. This is still great advice for empaths. It's also good to have a tripwire, which is a low cost offer. In traditional marketing, this is a way to get people into your funnel. But in empath marketing, this is just a way to have something helpful for um, people with different levels of affordability. Um, in in traditional marketing, you have all these different tiers of offers because you're trying to usher people from the free offer down towards the high value offer. But in empath marketing, we still have all these tiers. It's just for a different reason. It's because you want to cater to people who can't afford the high ticket offer. So you're not pushing people down a funnel. You're just meeting people where they are, at different levels of what they can afford. So lead magnet is your free offer. Tripwire is your low cost offer. Then you have your core offer. Then you have an upgrade, some kind of add on to your core offer to make extra money. And then you have a return path. After they've bought your core offer, is there something else you can offer them later? And if you have, it is good because we have limited energy to think about, you know, once you have someone who likes you and likes to buy from you, how can you keep selling to them if they want and can afford what you're offering? Because it's a lot harder to find new customers than it is to just re-engage current customers. But you can think about this in a way of they like what I have to offer, they want more things from me. Instead of how can I squeeze more money out of these people, right? It's all about the energy. Um, Figure out which content channels feel best to you. This could be a blog, this could be YouTube, this could be social media. It's okay to test them all out, at first, but you also want to focus on 80/20ing those, focusing on what feels the best to you, what is bringing you the biggest audience, and letting go of the other things, right? If you get, one customer a year off of Medium, but you're spending, an hour a week creating content for Medium, then it's okay to let that go. We have to conserve our energy. So, test out different channels, different ways to share your content, and then narrow down, focus your energy on what's the most effective and what feels best. You cannot do this with logic alone. You also have to think about what feels best. Um, Treat your content and your social media channels like it's a free sample. You're just giving out free samples of lemonade, right? Find built-in traffic, like if I was just publishing videos on my website, they would be getting way less traffic than YouTube because YouTube already has built-in traffic. So think about different channels you can use that already have users on them, that already have built-in traffic. Um, think about what is working for you, what is not working for you. Honor that. Your content is king. Like my videos, I know that the quality isn't great. I know that the quality could be better, but I know that the content is what's most important. Make content you're excited to make and then worry about the rest later. The content you're excited to make is the absolute most important thing in marketing yourself. Um, Also, if you're looking for ideas, think about your past. Share your top takeaways from the lessons that you've learned. It can be really simple. You don't have to overcomplicate it. Um, you can recycle your content with new layers of understanding. So again, look backwards instead of forwards. Look at the past. Look at what lessons you learned. What were your top takeaways? Go back through your old content and recycle it with new layers of understanding. Um, and focus on your funnel from the bottom up because likes don't equal sales, right? I have 36,000 followers on Instagram, but I barely ever make money that way. So it doesn't matter how many followers I have. It matters how many, clients I have. And if one is not correlating to the other, then it doesn't matter. So don't focus on clout, don't focus on followers or likes, or any of that because a highly engaged audience is way more important than a big audience. Um, that's everything I have for today. For your homework, instead of thinking about who you want to pursue, who you want to attract, I want you to think about who do you want to alienate? Who do you want to push away or scare away with the content that you're making? That's everything I have for today, everybody. Thanks for listening. If you want more information or if you're interested in coaching, check out the links in my description.